Welcome to this enlightening journey where we unravel the mystery behind the tech gadgets that you use every day. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's as intriguing as it is overlooked. We frequently use our mouse and keyboard. Yet, how many of us have paused to consider the mechanics that make these devices work? The science, the engineering, the marvels of technology that dwell beneath each click and keystroke. So brace yourself as we dive deep into the fascinating world of mouse and keyboard mechanics. Unveiling the mechanics of a mouse, a device that seems simple yet is powered by intricate technology. Let's start with how a mouse tracks movement. Beneath the surface of your mouse, there's an optical or laser sensor that captures hundreds of snapshots every second. As you move the mouse, it compares each snapshot to determine the direction and speed of your movement. It's like a super-fast game of spot the difference. Now, what about the buttons? Each button on your mouse has a switch underneath it. When you click, the switch closes a circuit, sending a signal to the computer that you've made a command. And how does this all communicate with your computer? Well, every time you move or click your mouse, it sends a report to your computer, communicating your actions through a USB or wireless connection. And the difference between an optical and mechanical mouse. Simply put, an optical mouse uses a light source to track movement, while a mechanical one uses a rolling ball. So, that's how your trusty mouse works, transforming your physical movements into digital commands. Next up is the keyboard, the indispensable companion of computing. It's more than just a collection of buttons we press. It's a marvel of engineering that translates our thoughts into a language that computers understand. At the heart of each key lies a switch. When you press a key, this switch closes, sending a specific electrical signal to the computer. This signal is then processed by the keyboard's controller chip, which translates it into a binary code. This code is sent to the computer, where it's transformed into a character that appears on your screen. Now, not all keyboards are created equal. You might have heard of mechanical and membrane keyboards. Mechanical keyboards have individual switches under each key, offering a tactile response and a satisfying click sound. Membrane keyboards, on the other hand, use pressure pads and offer a softer, quieter typing experience. And that's how your keyboard transforms your keystrokes into digital language. In the past few minutes, we've journeyed through the mechanics of your mouse and keyboard. We've uncovered the surprising intricacies behind these everyday devices, painting a vivid picture of their inner workings. These are not just simple tools, but marvels of modern engineering, playing a pivotal role in our digital lives. They transform our physical actions into the language of computers, enabling us to navigate the vast digital world. The next time you click or type, remember the fascinating mechanics that make it all possible. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey.